What's going on, you guys? Cutty from Cutty TV. I'm here to tell you guys about Studio View. If you don't know what Studio View is, it's an app that I'm creating that's going to allow musicians to book studio time anywhere inside of the country. Studio View is going to be for all musicians of all genres. You're going to be able to find a studio anywhere inside of the country, anywhere around you within a 23-mile radius. And that's right, location-based. That means anybody, anywhere inside of the country can use Studio View as long as you're looking for a studio. So don't wait, sign up for early access, and let me tell you where to find it. Click the link below and get early access to Studio View. Any artist, any genre, looking to book a studio anywhere inside of the country, this app is for you. What's going on, you guys? Cutty from Cutty TV. We're back at it again with another update for you guys of this app that you guys have been waiting 2 years in the making for, which is called Studio View. So if you're new and you've never watched any of these episodes, there's 5, maybe 6 episodes ahead of this that you need to watch to catch up on what Studio View is, but I'm going to give you a brief summary. So Studio View is an app that will allow you to book studio time anywhere in the country directly from your phone. We will be the first one on the marketplace with this kind of capability. There hasn't been an app out there that has allowed artists to book studio time directly from their phone, at least not in my generation that I've ever seen used or been on the app store for me to be able to go type up and see. So this is the first of its kind, and we're so happy to be releasing it. It's been literally 2 solid years in the making, and we're currently on our 3rd year, and we're just now about to finally release. So I have a new update video for you guys. I can't wait to tell you what's going on. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get on to the next update of what's going on with Studio View. Alright, you guys, so you guys have been with us since we even thought about this idea. If you go back to July 2021 is when we first initially made the idea public to the world and told you guys our grand idea that we were creating. Then moving on to October 2021, which is when we officially began the process of beginning with Studio View. So the whole idea itself was orchestrated back in 2020. So again, nearly 2 years ago. That's when the idea stirred up. It didn't go anywhere until a couple of months. It was just like a big thought of if it can even possibly be done. Can we create an app that will allow musicians, any musician, anywhere who does music, to allow them to book studio time directly from their phone? What would be something that we would have to do? What is something that we could go off of? And how can we create this magnificent app for the music culture? So it took about 6 to 7 months of planning before we came up with the official business plan, and then from there we started up, and then we just went on going. We found a developer in October, and then since then we've been working day in and day out on getting this app to you guys. So it's been a year in development. We've gone over page after page after page, issue after issue after issue, thing after thing after thing. You can see it in my face when I even pause for a second. That's how real this process has been for us. But finally, we are on our final step, and that's what I have to you guys today, a brand new update video. So you know that all of this waiting that you've been doing is actually about to pay off. So again, just to give you guys another brief summary, Studio View will allow you to book studio time anywhere in the US, anywhere in the country, directly from your phone. The first app of its kind. Definitely very proud of that. Now, where do I see this going? I see every musician in the world using our app to be able to book studio time. Again, I see a lot of issues with a lot of different genres of music. The one main consistent thing is, well, where can I find a studio at? Where can I book some studio time at? Especially when you're traveling and you're going into new cities and you don't know anybody. You're looking to record still though. You're still looking to chase your passion, do what you've been doing for years, which is recording music. So Studio View will now give you the capability. We are the first location-based app. That means no matter where you are in the country, we will be able to track your location and be able to find a studio around your area as long as they're signed up on our app. Now, studio owners, for you guys, it's rather simple to sign up. The app is free to download and it's free to list your studio. All you have to do is give us the information that we're looking for, which is a description. What is your studio? Where it's at? What kind of things do you have inside of your studio? All we need is a couple of pictures, of course, for people that are are coming onto our app to book studio time with you, we want them to be able to see it before they book it, obviously. And then put your daily rate on there, or your per hour rate, or if you do blocks, however you orchestrate your payments for your studio time, you put it on our app and it'll be right there for the people to see. And it's just that easy. And just for musicians, it's just as easy for you too. All you have to do is download our app from the App Store, which is free. Create a profile, which again, we only ask for a couple of details, your name, your email, and a phone number, just so that we can all stay connected inside of the community. If you have a problem that's going on with the studio session, you can reach out to the studio owner. If you're late, you need to reschedule, or things of that nature. This is why we require the contact information, so we can all stay in contact with each other. So, revolutionary app coming to the music culture very, very soon. The release date, we can't even put a date on it, because we wanted to put a date on it in the last video, and then the date that we had got pushed back. So we're just gonna let you know it's coming out. We're literally in the last step right now. So what's the last step, you're probably asking? Like, okay, Cutty, so I've been with you since you've introduced it. You've seen it in development. You've literally watched this app grow. If you go back and watch the last 6 episodes, every episode is a new update of how the app looks, what it's going to look like, the capabilities that are going to be on there. We've given you all of the sauce. So now the most important question is, what could the last update be? And where are we at with Studio View? And when is it coming out? When will I be able to put my studio on there? I'm ready to book studio time right now. I've been looking for studio time. I cannot find it. I've been hearing about your app for the past 2 years. When am I going to be able to use this thing, Cutty? So the answer is now here. So we're finally in the final steps of the app. We have submitted our app to the App Store. That's right. So no more waiting. The only waiting that's going on is now, well, from the App Store now. So whenever they want to release our app is when our app is going to be out. So again, there is no release date, but know that it's coming very, very soon. We have done every single issue that needed to be fixed. We've done every single sketch on. We've got it to look just the way that we're looking. And we are ready to give this app to you guys. So to let you guys know exactly where it's at, it's been submitted to the App Store. Everything is done. There's no more development, no more waiting, no more screens having to be created. All we're waiting for is the App Store to give us a go and let us know that we're live. So that's the final update on what's going on with Studio View. You can expect it, what is this? Today is October 12th. Can we say by November? Hopefully by November. Definitely before the end of 2022. So you guys have been with us for this 2-year long journey, and you've been waiting. You know, you've been hearing about it so long. Now every time you get into a situation of needing studio time, the first thing that you think of is, damn, I wish that Studio View app was out by now. Cutty, where is the app at? Where is the app? Cutty TV, what are you guys doing over there? We're getting all the answers and all of the updates, and we're giving it to you as we get them. So this is the last update that we have. We have been told, Roger, you will not have to wait any longer. Your app shall be submitted soon. So we've submitted it to the app stores. Now it's up to the app gods on giving us our approval and letting us go live so you guys can download Studio View. But if you missed early access for some reason and you don't have early access yet, what you have to do is click the link in the description, sign up for early access for Studio View so you can get the app before everyone else. We have a trial period going on right now where our early access, everybody who signed up, gets the app before everyone else. So if you would love to be a part of that group who's going to be able to use our app before everyone else, make sure you click the link inside of the description, sign up for Studio View, follow us on Instagram. When the app comes out, tag us on Instagram, put us on your story, mention us on Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, Google. Make a YouTube video about it, for Christ's sake, okay? You've been waiting 2 years. The least you could do is make a YouTube video that you finally got to use Studio View so we know everything that we need to improve for the future. But we're gonna be staying on top of everything, you know, as the requests come in, as the people start to use it, we're gonna be listening to you guys on if you want something improved, if you want something added, if you want something taken away. We're definitely going to be listening. So we can't wait to show you guys this beautiful app. We can't wait for you to use it. We can't even wait. Like, imagine waiting for the thing that you created to finally drop. Like, you're done. I've done everything that I could possibly do. Now I'm just waiting. Then I have people waiting on me, and we're waiting on you. So App Store, give us our approval so we can drop this app for the beautiful people. That's what it is. So that's the final update on what's going on with Studio View, man. It's been 2 years in the making, but we're finally submitted to the App Store. We shall wait for the app guys to give us our approval, and all of you early access goers, everyone who signed up for early access will get it first, and then everyone else probably by the time you're done watching this video, if it's after 2023. The app is out. You need to be using Studio View. It's the only app that will allow you to book studio time directly from your phone. I dated this, so I know. So can't wait to officially be making the video showing you guys that the app is officially out and on all app stores, because it will be available for Android and iPhone. So that's the best news I got for you guys. That's the latest update that we have received, and you guys are now all updated on what's going on with the beautiful app called Studio View, which will be coming out very, very soon. So I first want to thank all of our supporters, everybody who's been waiting the 2 years, everybody who's been talking about the app, everybody who's waiting for it to come out, all of my studio owners who are ready for early access, all of my musicians who are ready for early access. I'm super grateful and thankful for all of you. So this is the last update. The next video, the app will be out, and we'll be talking about what the app does and everything else. But until then, you guys got to keep on waiting. So again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you've used the app, if you're watching this after it's out, make sure you put it into the comments. Let us know what you think about it. But we have another episode coming where we'll be able to show you exactly what we think about it once it's officially live. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until another time, or until we get another update, which the app will be out, fingers crossed, I'll see you guys next time.